Hello friends, welcome to this practical course on StatPro software. In this lecture, we will apply the renumbering command to all our members. So first of all, select the whole structure like this and click on the beam tools option. Now click on renumber beams and click on yes. So initially give any random renumbering of higher number. So first of all, let me give the number as 2001 and select any coordinate of your own choice and click on accept and click on OK. So I have renumbered all my beams starting from 2001. So currently I have 1 to 2000 numbers available with me which I can use it for the renumbering. So let's do that. First of all, activate the side view and select these plinth beams like this. Click on view selector objects only and then click on the top view. So how I want to renumber the plinth beams, I will start the renumbering from 101. So this beam will have a number of 101, then this beam will have number as 102, then we have 103, 104, 105, and this beam will be renumbered as 106 and so on. So why we are doing this kind of renumbering? This is because if we have renumbered our members in a correct sequence, then it will be easy for us to interpret the results. So this kind of renumbering you might have seen in any kind of hotel or hostel, that all the ground floor rooms are numbered from 101, 102 and so on. Similarly, all the first floor rooms are numbered from 201, 202 and so on. So we will apply similar kind of renumbering to our structure as well. So what I want to do, first of all, I want to renumber my beams and I want to go first of all in the x direction, that is 101, 102, 103 and so on. Then I want to go in the z direction and I will simply input the y coordinate as it is. So the order in which I want to do the renumbering is x, z and y. However, in the stat you need to input the reverse order, that is y, z and x. So first of all, click on select option and click on select beams parallel to x. Now click on beam tools and click on renumber beams and click on yes. So start the numbering from 101. So here I will select the coordinate y, z, x and click on accept and click on OK. Now press shift plus B from the keyboard in order to see the renumbering. So as you can see that all the x beams have been renumbered, that is 101, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. The last beam that is renumbered in the x direction was 121. So first of all, select beams parallel to z. Now in order to renumber the beams in the z direction, first of all I want to go in the z direction. So what I want to do, the last beam that was renumbered in the x direction was 122. So in the z direction, this beam will have number of 122 and this beam will have number of 123 and so on. So first of all I want to go in the z direction, then I want to go in the x direction and I will simply input y as it is. So the order in which I want to do the renumbering is z, x and y. So instead again you need to input the reverse order, that is y, x and z. So first of all, select all the beams in the z direction and click on beam tools. Now click on renumbering beams and click on yes. So we will start the renumbering from 122 because the last x beam that was renumbered was 121. So input here 122. So first of all select the y coordinate, then we will select x coordinate and then the z coordinate and click on accept and click on OK. So we have also renumbered the z beams. So we will apply the similar procedure for the remaining floors as well. So this is how we will renumber all our beams. So let's now renumber the columns as well. So how I want to renumber the columns is, for example, these are my columns. So first of all, I will start the renumbering from 1001. This column will be 1002 and so on. So first of all, I want to go in the y direction. Then if let's say I have another column here, so then I want to go in the x direction. So first of all y, then I want to go in the x direction, and then I want to go in the z direction. So order in which I want to renumber my columns is y, x and z. So in the stead I will input the reverse order, that is z, x and then y. So first of all, select all the beams parallel to y. Now click on beam tools and click on renumber beams and click on yes. So start the numbering from 1001. The coordinate that you will select will be z, x and y, and click on accept and click on OK. Now press shift plus B in order to see the numbering. So you can see that all the columns have also been renumbered in the correct sequence. Now let's apply the renumbering command to all the nodes as well. So first of all, select the node cursor and select all the nodes like this. Now click on node tools and click on renumber nodes and click on yes. So in the nodes also, first of all you want to go in the x direction, then z direction and then y direction. So I will input the order as y, z and x. We will start the numbering from 1 and click on accept and click on OK. So we have renumbered all our beams and columns, and we have also renumbered our nodes as well. So guys, that's all for this video. You can like, share and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any future update for this practical course. See you in the next video.